How's everybody doing today? Today we are making smoked salt. And so let me just run through here. I've already began. It's kind of a boring process. I can just explain it. It's pretty simple, unless you're like retarded. So this right here is kosher salt, you know, and the coarser the better. And I decided I'm going to do a, let me turn this. I'm going to do a spicy salt as well, so crushed red pepper flakes and seeds and all that good stuff. So what you'll need is a pan, a flat like baking sheet works pretty good. Don't use your wife's good one or she will probably kill you. You will need a butter knife or some kind of a flat scraper thing, and you will need a smoker, okay? And we're using apple wood in our smoker, and I probably need to add a little bit more. But I did a video earlier and it just wasn't very good lighting, so I ended up going and getting some lights. But so like right here, you want to have your little flue open up to where you have a pretty good amount of smoke coming out. It's tough to see it at night, but yeah, if you can see it on the smoker, it's coming out pretty decent. Do need to add a little bit more chips. But and then on your flue, I'd put it pretty, or I'm sorry, your damper. I put my damper down pretty low. That way, you know, you don't really get anything bursting into flames, especially with your wood chips, because as soon as you give them enough air, instead of smoldering and smoking like you want them to, then they end up just bursting into flames. So by giving them very little air, that keeps it smoking instead of, oh, there we go, we got a little bit more smoke coming out now. And they'll end up smoking instead of bursting into flames. So, yep, that is pretty much how you do your smoked salt, man. We'll go ahead and just take a peek at it. Time to stir it, probably. Yeah, you can kind of see that beautiful golden brown forming on there. And I just go in here and I stir it around, because the top layer will get the smoke touching it and really soaking in. So so how's it going, bud? So I end up doing this. I end up just moving it around a little bit and kind of mix it all in. We have a neighbor, and that's pretty much your smoked salt.